Hello students, now this is a short video. We'll be talking about some standard diagrams for electric field lines. Now what is electric field line, you all know. So we'll study the first case, that is an electric current carrying wire that is linear in position. Okay, so what will be the magnetic field around it? You can know the magnetic field by using the thumb rule. The thumb is in the direction of current and the finger, curling of finger, shows you the direction of magnetic field. So here the magnetic field will be inward. If you find on this side, it will be outward. It will be outward. So here I can draw it this way. So now if you want to find it on whole of the wire, suppose this pen is formed as a wire. Okay. So if this is a wire, what is the direction of electric field? It will be in this direction. It will be rotating on all its side. Okay. It will be equal like this. You can see over here, it will be equal. The magnetic field will be equal on all of its position. So we can write it in this manner. And the direction will be inside. Okay. So this will be the direction of magnetic field. I hope this much is very clear. Now suppose we have this another case where there is a wire which is going inside. Okay. The current carrying wire is going inside. Now if you want to find the magnetic field around it, what we will do? I'll put the thumb in the direction of current and I'll rotate my fingers. So the direction of magnetic field will be this. This will be the direction of magnetic field. Now if I want to find the magnetic field at some another point that is away from it, the direction will remain the same. This will be for some other point. Again, if I want to find at some else point, so it will be continuing in the same manner. At every point, the direction will remain same. Here also you can do the same. If you want to increase the point, if you want to find it over here, it will be in this manner. Now if you want to understand these two things, both are similar, very similar. Okay, just this is horizontal, vertical wire, and here the wire is horizontal. Suppose if you have understood this, then we'll take a look at this. Here you have a wire that is going inside the board. Okay, that is the direction, and the direction of magnetic field is in this direction. Oh, sorry, it is in this direction. Okay, so here you can see that the direction of magnetic field is made by this bangle. Okay, here if you now do this whole thing which is in horizontal position, if you rotate it with 90 degree, then you will get the magnetic field that will be in this direction, that is which shows the direction of the bangle. This is horizontal in second case, this is vertical in the first case. Okay, I hope this much is very clear to you. Then we'll move forward. We'll move with this. Suppose there is a current carrying loop. Now current carrying loop is also same as this bangle. Okay, here you can see that it is in this shape, but actually it is in this shape. Okay, this is a current carrying loop. Now the direction of current carrying loop is shown over here. So if you want to find the magnetic field on this, okay, so here first we'll take this. What is the direction here? The direction in the thumb shows the direction of current. Then my curling fingers will show the direction of magnetic field, that is going from below to upwards. So I can draw it in this manner. This is the direction. Okay. Now the second part, now when I am going in this direction, okay, this shows the direction that is going inside. The direction of magnetic field will be in this manner. So it will be like this. You can show the magnetic field in this manner. Now suppose you are going on the above side, that is on this side, that is on the other side. So in that also what comes? The magnetic field from under the bangle comes in this side. Suppose I can show it in this manner. So what is the direction of magnetic field? It comes from below to upwards. The direction of my thumb shows the direction of current. Now the direction earlier we had seen in this direction, now it is on the back side. So in this also the current comes from down, magnetic field comes from down to upwards. So once again it will be same direction. Now when we reach in the last point, for the last point also what will happen? The direction of magnetic field is in this direction. What is the direction of current magnetic field? It will be in this direction. So if I want to show that, I need to draw it in this manner. This will be the direction of magnetic field. This we have already studied in solenoid also. Okay. Now suppose we have a bar magnet, north pole, south pole. How the field lines goes, we have studied in last lecture. The field line outside the magnet is from north to south, and inside the magnet is from south to north. So if this current carrying loop behaves as a magnet, then how can we study what is which pole is which? Here you can see inside the system it moves from south pole to north pole, and outside from north pole to south pole. So from here you can say that this end is south pole and this end is north pole. Okay, I hope this much is very clear to you. Suppose you want to remember this. Okay, if you want to remember this, you can use this formula also. If you see the wire or the current that is moving in clockwise direction, then you can see that it is south pole. Suppose this is a current carrying loop. If the current is moving in clockwise direction, then it will be the south pole. Suppose the same thing you look from below. If from above you are saying that it is moving in clockwise direction, then you will see from below, then it will be in anti-clockwise, and that time it will be north pole. Here you can see that it is moving in anti-clockwise when you are looking from up, means the north pole is on the above side. When it is moving in anti-clockwise, that is you are seeing from up, then it will be north pole. If this is the same thing you will be looking from below, you will be able to see that it moves in a clockwise direction, and that's why it will be south pole. So here it will be north pole and here it will be south pole. I hope this much is very clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.